Hi guys! Are you sending visitors directly to your affiliate link? That's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. In this video, I'll show you how to collect leads first using System.io so you can build an email list before promoting affiliate products. Step 1. Log into your System.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, name your funnel Affiliate Lead Funnel, choose Build an Audience, and click Create. This type of funnel is designed to capture a visitor's email address before introducing your affiliate recommendation. Step 2. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Choose a simple landing page template. Replace the headline with a valuable offer, such as Download my free affiliate marketing challenge, or Get my free beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. Add a short description explaining what visitors will learn and why it's useful. Step 3. Add an opt-in form that asks for the visitor's name and email address. Keep the page clean by removing unnecessary distractions. Add a strong call to action button like Get Instant Access or Download the free guide. The goal is to encourage visitors to sign up before they see your affiliate recommendation. Step 4. Next, create a thank you page. Thank visitors for joining your list and provide access to the free resource you promised. You can also introduce the affiliate product as a helpful next step by adding a button such as See My Recommended Tool. If your email service is configured, you can continue providing useful tips through follow-up emails before recommending additional products. Step 5. Preview your funnel and test the complete process. Submit the form yourself, make sure the thank you page loads correctly, and verify that every button works before sharing your funnel. And that's it! You've created a lead generation funnel that helps you collect leads before promoting affiliate products. If you'd like to build landing pages, sales funnels, and grow your affiliate business with System.io, check out my affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more affiliate marketing and System.io tutorials.